Let me show you this lake house.
One
of my favorite lake houses, not only for the location and the deep water, but take a look at this dock. I'll take the drone up and take you around. So it's a brand new dock. It's about $120,000 plus dock. It's about 8 months behind to get a new one from the same builder. This thing is ready to go. Deep water with an outstanding view. I really like the hydro hoist lift, the 4-point swim platform. There's a minnow filtration system, and then also the upper deck. Not only that, look at the view of the house looking up. It's outstanding.
Shades on my eyes so you can't see my face. You right behind me trying
So
to keep.
heading out from the dock, heading out to Ski Island. Still Island is where I spend a lot of most of my time. And one thing about this cove is it's deep water, and you're right outside the no wake zones within a couple of minutes versus a 15-minute hot, slow boat ride. This is one of the best kept secrets in Lake Bridgeport. My favorite cove.